Do you know the one number that actually shows how much of a property you really own? That number is equity. Equity is simply the difference in what a property is worth and how much you actually owe on it. Understanding equity is key to building long-term wealth in real estate. Hey everybody, it's Randy Wolfe. Be sure to stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to give you some nuggets on how you can establish equity a lot faster than just waiting and doing the whole traditional way that most beginners do. So let's dive in. Equity is often called your ownership stake in a property. So if a home is worth, let's say $200,000 and you owe $120,000, that means your equity is $80,000. But equity isn't just a number on paper. It's the foundation of wealth building in real estate. Now you can grow equity in three main ways that I'm going to touch on here. Number one is paying down the loan. Each monthly mortgage payment includes a portion that chips away at your loan balance. Now over time, those small amounts that you're paying add up to quite a bit. Number two is property appreciation. Now as the market rises, your property values increases, boosting your equity automatically, even if you haven't done a thing, which is pretty cool. For example, if your $200,000 property appreciates to $220,000 while your loan, let's say, just stayed the same, your equity just jumped $20,000. And then number three is forcing equity. Now this is one that I really love. And this is basically where you make improvements like a kitchen upgrade or a new roof or just fresh paint, something like that. And you can directly increase the property's value beyond what you spent, giving you instant added equity. Now, why is equity so important? Well, because it's not just wealth on paper, it's leverage. Investors often tap into equity through refinancing or a home equity line of credit known as a HELOC, those sort of things. And that money can actually then be reinvested into more properties, and this accelerates your portfolio growth over time. I talk about in some other videos different strategies like the BRRRR strategy. If you haven't seen that, be sure to check out those videos. I have a whole series about BRRRR. But here's the catch. Equity can also shrink. There's market downturns. There's deferred maintenance, for example, where stuff breaks and you got to go in over time and fix it. You've got situations where over leveraging with too much debt can eat away at it. And that's why it's really critical not to just count on market appreciation, but to actively build equity through smart renovations and disciplined debt payoff. Now, for new investors, tracking your equity is a motivational tool. Watching that number grow shows that your hard work is actually paying off. Now, here's a little value nugget for you. Equity is the real scoreboard of your wealth. If you focus on building it intentionally, you'll create options, whether that's refinancing or selling or just simply enjoying a higher net worth. So if you want to learn how to use equity to accelerate your portfolio, or you want to learn more about real estate investing, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out content every single week. I also have a private community. I'll put the link in the description below. Now, we're currently full right now. We're not accepting any new members in the community as of the time of this recording. But if you go there and we're not accepting, you can actually join the wait list. And once we open it back up again, you can actually join at that point in time. But as always, I appreciate you watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.